If you've ever wondered whether a piece of code was written by an AI or a human, this is the tool you need to check out. Let me introduce you to AI Detector Pro Code, a cutting-edge platform designed to detect whether code was generated by an AI or written by a human programmer. It's a powerful resource that works seamlessly with popular programming languages like C#, Java, Python, JavaScript, and PHP. With the increasing use of AI tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT, there's a lot of discussion about the challenges of AI-generated code, things like outdated libraries, hidden bugs, or even database issues. This tool helps you spot those AI-generated code segments so you can focus on improving quality and making your projects error-free. This is what the AI Detector Pro Code dashboard looks like. On the left side, you'll find your reports and projects, where all your scans are saved for easy access. On the right side, you've got the new AI scan option, which is where all the magic happens. To check if a piece of code is AI-generated or human-written, all you need to do is click on New Scan, copy your code, and paste it right here in the input box. What's great about this tool is that it supports multiple programming languages, like Java, C#, JavaScript, PHP, and Python. So whether you're a web developer, back-end engineer, or software consultant, this tool has got you covered. Now, let's analyze the code. Once you hit the Analyze button, the tool gets to work and quickly generates a result. For this example, the tool shows that this code has a 98% likelihood of being AI-generated, or that AI was used in parts of it. But here's where it gets really interesting. You can click on the result to get a more detailed breakdown of the code. The tool highlights different parts of the code. Red text indicates sections that are highly likely to be AI-generated. Orange text highlights sections with a lower, but still a likelihood of being AI-generated. Black text represents code that is confirmed to be human-written. With this detailed breakdown, you can pinpoint exactly which parts of the code were likely generated by AI, making it super easy to identify and review those sections. This is especially helpful for developers and teams during the quality assurance process or when debugging errors. By knowing which parts of the code were AI-generated, you can prioritize reviewing those areas for potential bugs or inefficiencies. And that's it. It's simple, effective, and saves you tons of time when working on projects where AI and human code might be mixed. Unlike other tools, it doesn't rewrite or fix mistakes in the code. It's specifically designed to identify sections of code that were likely generated by AI. This ensures that developers can take full control of debugging and improving the code themselves. This tool is perfect for developers, consultants, and teams who want to balance the efficiency of AI coding assistance with the quality and precision of human-reviewed code. If you're curious to try it out for yourself, you can find the link in the description. Feel free to check it out and explore everything this platform has to offer.